Look at this fluffy Seeraga Samba rice, rich red masala, every single grain separate. This is authentic Ambur Biryani, exactly the way it is made in legendary Rahmaniya hotel. My mother's secret. Today I'm sharing everything. Namaskara. Ambur Biryani is one of the most iconic biryani in all of South India, and today I'm making it using my mother's exact technique, the secret Kashmiri red chili paste and special authentic dum on direct flame with no sealing. Every single secret is coming out today. Let us begin. Here is everything you need for authentic Ambur chicken biryani. Taken half a kilogram of chicken, chopped, cleaned and washed thoroughly with turmeric and salt. This initial cleaning with turmeric is important. It removes any raw smell from the chicken and keep it aside and keeps it fresh. Now comes one of the most important step in the entire recipe, and this is what makes the Ambur biryani completely different from every other. I have taken 8 to 10 Byadagi or Kashmiri red chili and soaked them in a warm water for minimum of 20 minutes or 1 full hour. Then ground them into a smooth fine paste. This fresh red chili paste is the soul of Ambur biryani. This is what it gives the deep red color and that distinctive flavor you simply cannot achieve with chili powder. And let's keep this aside. I have taken 2 small medium-sized onions and finely sliced them. Similarly, I have taken 4 Desi tomatoes or nati tomatoes, and similarly I have sliced them and kept it aside. A generous bunch of fresh mint, that's pudina leaves, and coriander, that's kothambir leaves, kept aside. Here is the main hero, that's the Seeraga Samba Rice. That is approximately 500 grams, cleaned, picked, washed and soaked in water for 20 minutes. Seeraga Samba is the only rice for authentic Ambur biryani, not basmati. This short grain rice absorbs the masala completely and give you that signature Ambur biryani texture and that aroma. Now let us make the biryani base. I have taken a heavy bottomed pot. This is non-negotiable for dum biryani. To this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of Desi Ghee. Now the spices. Amma keeps it simple and precise. 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 clove, that's lavanga, a 2-inch of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera and a quarter teaspoon of Kasturi Methi. These are the only spices my mother uses for this Ambur biryani. Nothing more, nothing less. Now add all these into the hot oil and the ghee on low flame and fry for 30 to 40 seconds only, not more than that. You are looking at a beautiful aroma to release. The moment the aroma hits you, move immediately to the next step. Now add the sliced onions, and here is the first major secret. Fry the onions until it's turned deep golden brown. This will take 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame with continuous stirring. No shortcuts here. You can see
if you
how
enjoy
the
this
onions
content,
are
please
literally
consider
turning to
subscribing,
gold.
liking,
This
and leaving a comment below.
caramelization is
Your
what
support means a
builds
lot.
the sweetness and depth of the color in the biryani. Be patient at this stage. Once the onions are perfectly golden brown, add the sliced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of freshly grounded garlic paste, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Give everything a nice toss and cook until the tomatoes are completely soft and mushy and the raw smell of the garlic is gone. This will take another 3 minutes. You need the tomatoes to fully break down before the next step. Turn the flame to low and add a half a teaspoon of fresh ginger paste, then add red chili paste we prepared earlier. Now add 1 teaspoon of Dhaniya Powder and a half a teaspoon of Biryani Masala Powder, or else you can add the Garam Masala Powder. Finally, add a quarter cup of curd. Mix everything together thoroughly. Now, fry this entire masala base until the oil floats to the top. This is your signal. When you see the oil separating and floating on the top, the masala is perfectly cooked. Now add the chicken pieces directly into the masala. Mix thoroughly. Every single piece is completely coated. Cook on a medium to high flame until the chicken is perfectly fried into the masala and everything comes together. Now add the chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Give it a final mix on a high flame and cook for about 5 minutes. Your masala base is now complete and ready for the rice. I have taken 2 cups of Seeraga Samba Rice. For every 2 cups of rice, we need to add 4 cups of hot water. Make sure the water is hot, not cold. Add a hot water to the pot, bring it to a full boil. Once boiling, add the juice of 1 full lemon. This keeps the rice grain separate and adds a subtle brightness to the entire biryani. Now, drain the soaked rice and add it gently on the top of the masala. Make sure do not mix, do not stir. Leave the rice exactly as it is on the top. Now comes the most critical part, the dum cooking. And here is the Amma's exact method. No sealing with dough, no aluminium foil, direct flame control only. This is my mother's style. First 10 minutes on high flame, then reduce to medium flame for the next 5 minutes, then bring it down to the lowest possible flame for that final 5 minutes. Total 20 minutes of cooking. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame completely and let the biryani rest 10 full minutes. Do not open the lid, do not touch it. The residual heat inside the pot will finish cooking the rice to the perfect fluffy texture on its own. This resting is non-negotiable. Just look at how the rice has fluffed up. Every single grain of this rice is standing separately, not sticking, not clumping, not breaking. This is the result of Amma's technique. This is the secret of how legendary Rahmaniya hotels make their Ambur Biryani, and now you know it too. Plate this biryani generously. Serve it with a fresh slice of onions. This is the only correct way to serve the Ambur Biryani. The heat of the biryani and the coolness of the raita together is a complete Ambur experience. That is Amma's complete secret to authentic Ambur chicken biryani. Try this at home and tell me in the comments how it turned out. If this video helped you, share it with someone who loves biryani. It will make their day. If you are new here, subscribe to Deepaks Kitchen. Will bring you authentic Karnataka and South Indian recipes every Tuesday and Friday. See you in the next video. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.